Hey, thanks for joining Math with Marcus. Today we're going to be talking about a 6th grade problem. Comes from course 1, problem 72 about place value. So use your knowledge of place value to place the correct inequality sign between each pair of numbers. So these, remember this, the alligator mouth will eat the larger value. So if you say that this number is larger, it'd go this way. If you say that the number on the right is larger, the inequality symbol would go that way. And then it says down here, round each number in part B to the nearest tenth. All right. So when I'm doing this, you start by comparing the largest digit. The digit, in this case, the largest digit is both in the ones place. Compare the ones place first, and those are both 5s. So you go to the next one over. So the 2 is in the tenths place, and that's both the same. And so then you'd go to the hundredths place. You're saying, well, here it's 0 and here it's a 7. And so this number is basically, you can think about it as money, so $5.27. Here it's $5.20. And then some of these things that we don't even have in our money system. Like these would be 7 coins that are less than 1 penny in value. So this number $5.20, right? That would be like 20 cents, and then there'd be 7 of these thousandths, and it would take 10 of this coin to even make 1 penny. So as you can see that I would rather have $5.27 than $5.20, and then 7 of these like smaller, little less than pennies. So the number that is bigger is this one. The number that is greater is that one. So you'd read this as 5 and 207 thousandths is less than 5 and 27 hundredths. All right, what about this one here? So again, we're starting at the largest place value, the ones place, and working our way back. So 3 ones, 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, 6 hundredths. So 6 hundredths is more than 6,000. So again, this is greater. 3 and 6 hundredths is greater than 3 and 6 thousandths. All right, what about this one? So 2 is the same ones place. 4 tenths, that's like both are 4 dimes. Both of these have 0 pennies, but this one has 8 of those thousandths. So this is larger. It's 8 of those thousandths. So that one, 8 thousandths, that one doesn't have any. All right, and then the last part C, says round each number to the nearest tenths place. So this is 3 and 6 thousandths. So we're going to be rounding to the tenths place. So find the tenths place, that is here. So you look behind it. If this digit is 5 or larger, it's going to round this number up. So is this 5 or larger? Nope. So it is going to stay as a 0. So 3 and 6 thousandths rounds down to 3 and 0 tenths. So it wants to know how many tenths. So 3 and 0 tenths. Then what about this one? So 3 and 6 hundredths. So let's change this to 6 hundredths. So we find the tenths place, look behind. If this is a 5 or larger, it will raise our tenths place up by 1. So 3 and 6 hundredths rounds up to 3 and 1 tenth. 3 and 1 tenth. All right, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you later.